In this video, we will talk about how to fix brightness not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Basic tests. First, let's restart the PC. For that, click on Window icon and restart your PC. If you're a laptop user, then press and hold FN, the function key, and press brightness key. There's a possibility that a low power supply might be the problem. So plug in the charger, as some power modes limit brightness adjustments. Method 2. Graphics drivers. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on Graphics driver. Click on Update driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, again right-click on Graphics driver and choose Uninstall device. Again, click on Uninstall. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the drivers automatically. Method 3. Enable and disable driver. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Monitors. Right-click on generic PNP monitor. Select Disable device. Then click on Yes. Again, right-click on generic PNP monitor and select Enable. Now expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics driver and do the same, disable it, then enable it. Method 4. Repair system files. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned both commands in the description. From there, you can copy-paste in here. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix brightness not working in Windows 10. See you in the next video.